welcome to Colon Info Systems YouTube channel. My name is Prithushan and today I will be explaining you how to hide a particular tag from a template view in Odoo. Have you ever felt a problem when you are working with the templates in Odoo and you need to make invisible a particular tag and you can't find the right way to do so? Maybe the way you are currently using may create problems with some default Odoo modules in future use. So here I am resolving all the problems and providing you a right way so that next time it doesn't create problems for you. The Python template in Odoo are used for creating report views and website views. So these templates are so much important. So when we want to make invisible any tag, we cannot use invisible attribute as it doesn't work in templates. So we'll need to find some other way to do so. So here is I have inherited the CLR report and I want to add a particular column in the CLR line which is called product type, and at the same time I want to make invisible the price unit column. So let me show you. I have uncommented this particular piece of code. Now I'll print a report. I'm printing the CLR report and it will look like this one. I have added the particular column which is called product type in this CLR line. Now I also want to remove or make invisible this particular unit price tag. So the general way to do so is using the XPath and replacing the particular tag with nothing. So here I am doing so, I'm replacing it with nothing, but this will create problem as this particular piece of code depends on this particular path. Here I am using the XPath and taking the XPath as the path of this particular price unit. So when I replace this particular thing with nothing, it does not exist in the main report. So this will create error. Let me show you what I am talking about. Here it creates a problem and it cannot find this particular th price unit tag. Now I'll tell you a particular way which cannot create problem in future and will also work as per our requirement. We will need to use position equal to attributes and in the attribute we have to use class equal to dnone or style equal to display none. So I am talking about this particular piece of code. Let me comment this particular piece of code and I am talking about this one. So what I am doing is that using the position equal to attributes and for the attribute name which is a class, I am using the value as dnone. So this will perfectly work for me and this will perfectly work for as per our requirement. It will make invisible the particular unit price column and also able to we will able to add this particular product type column. So here it is. We are able to make invisible the unit price column and we are able to add this particular column also at the same time. Using this particular way, the particular tag will remain invisible and the dependent views will also work properly along with it. If we want to add this particular invisibility tag on a particular condition, then we can use TATT class or TATT style for that. If you don't know how to use TATT in templates, then write down in the comments. I'll create another video explaining how to use TATT in Odoo templates. This particular module is updated on the GitHub on public repository. Link will be in the description. You can look into it if you want to. Thank you for watching this video. We'll keep working on bringing useful videos like this one. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Connect Information YouTube channel. Thank you.